Hi everyone, my name is Nas. I have a Etsy shop with the name Sewing Panda Patterns, where I sell digital sewing patterns. I leave the link of this pattern in the description box. You can purchase it from there. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch this. For making this, we need pattern piece, lace trim, elastic, matching threads, and loop turner. So let's start with stitching the seams as mentioned here. First, I'm going to stitch the fabric with the right sides together inside with 1 cm seam allowance, then press the seam. Next, I'm going to stitch the lace with the front seam technique. For that, stitch it with 1/2 cm first with the wrong sides together inside, then trim the excess fabric. Then turn it right side and stitch it with 1/2 cm again. To make the seam flat, give a stitch at the edge. Next, attach the lace to the fabric with the right sides together, then stitch it with a 1 cm seam allowance. Next, turn it wrong side, then fold it. You can see there are 4 layers. So tuck the 2 middle layers inside and attach the first and last layer. Then pin it and stitch it by pulling the fabric little by little by leaving little gap to insert the elastic. Now pull the fabric from the gap, then press it. Now the final step, insert the elastic, make sure it is not twisted, then close the gap. I hope you like the video and the pattern. Please share your valuable feedback. See you with the next pattern in the video. Till then, bye.